Hi, I have some disclaimers before I play this for you. One, I haven't played this song in over a year. I even had to look up the lyrics. Two, I'm better at writing songs than this now, I think. And three, my hair looks like this because I just woke up. It's a hillside, horizon rather, T-shop splendor. Can I see you Friday? Can I see you tomorrow? Can I see you? I don't know what I'm doing, but I see you. I thought you'd think I was so peculiar. I thought you'd think why the freckles, why the phrases? You're really something, and here we are, and we've got something. Did you see how I was reading the lyrics on the screen?